What's going on, guys? It is your boy Khaliba. Welcome back to my YouTube channel as I bring you a brand new video, and welcome to a brand new episode. This is the first time I'm analyzing with you guys, preparing for the next coming week. It is a Sunday today. It is 3:30 South African time, and we are moving forward, preparing for Monday. So at market open, we'll be ready already because we are analyzing right now, preparing for the next coming week. It is very much important that you analyze before the market opens as a forex trader, so that you know that from Monday to Friday, which pairs you're looking at, which pairs interest you, and what's the direction you prepared for. So without wasting more time, guys, I'd like for you guys to start by liking the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without wasting more time, let's jump straight into the video. Alright, guys, welcome back. So we're gonna be analyzing just only a couple of pairs, which is the pairs that I'm interested in this week as Euro USD, Euro GBP, USD JPY, and GBP USD. So these are the only four pairs that we'll be looking into right now, and seeing where is the focus at, where we're going this coming week. We saw this coming week is an NFP week basically, so we need to be careful. That's why we're starting to analyze on a Sunday, so that we prepare for the next coming week, so that we do not have surprises coming from the market. So without wasting more time, this is the pair Euro USD. I'm using a platform called tradingview.com. You can check it out. This is not your MT4 platform, but it's something slightly different. So with this platform, we use it mainly to analyze, right? So right now I'm looking at Euro USD on a weekly chart, and I see right there that there's a line like this. So that's a trending line, right? That's a trend line, and we can see that's a resistance line. So now that we have spotted our resistance line, let's try and create a channel so that we'll have a better understanding of what's happening here. So it looks like this pair might start to sell as of like this week. Okay, so according to the weekly time frame, I already see a sell. Let's drop down to something like 4 hours. Now that we've jumped to 4 hours, we can clearly see that the market has already started to reverse with an impulse. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and find an understanding. So what you trade, you must understand yourself. If you do not understand something, then you should not bother trading whatever pair that may be. So I'm seeing the market buying like this from here. So right now I'll only start to sell this pair once it goes below this zone. So this is what I am seeing this week with Euro USD. I see a huge sell opportunity, so you can take this into consideration, right? Remember, I saw this on 4 hours, sorry, on a weekly time frame. Now I'm checking on 4 hours. We can go quickly check on the daily chart and see what's happening there. Same applies, guys. Even on the daily chart, we're seeing a big sell. The market might start by consolidating, of course. It might come down like this and then go back up, and then eventually drop like that. So these are the chances, guys. It might just try and create an M. However, the market is now on the selling side because we're looking at a weekly time frame and we're on a very strong resistance. So it makes more sense why the market would start selling. So for Euro USD, the signal that we have is actually to sell this pair potentially till this level, potentially to this level. I'll give you the price just now, potentially till 1.13940. You can just give it at that price. That's the price Euro USD is looking to drop to. It might not drop the entire week, but definitely that's where it's going next. So be sure to be on the lookout for that pair. Now let's move on to Euro GBP. So with Euro GBP, we're still gonna do the same thing. We're gonna check on the weekly time frame, try to get the overview of the things. Remember, this is we're analyzing for a new week, right? So it makes more sense why we would start to analyze from a weekly time frame. So with this type of market, I see that it's actually ranging between two prices. So the market is actually ranging between these two prices. So with the weekly forecast, we already see that the market is trapped and it's headed for the resistance, right? So let's drop to the daily time frame. Same applies, guys. With the daily time frame, we can see that we're on some type of a resistance on the daily time frame. This is where usually the market tends to reverse. So this price is a price of interest. What I see here is a selling market. I see a selling market potentially till the previous support level. And once the market can cross this line that I'm about to put here, then we're good to go. Let's check on 4 hours quickly. So already we are below this black line that I just added. Let's wait and see what's going to happen next. But potentially I see the market dropping. If I was to adjust this line with 4 hours time frame, I would see that the market was already playing just about below this line. So the market is already on the downside. We just have to wait for the market to confirm more selling patterns, and we can go in. And if you check this thing very closely, there's an M pattern right there. This pattern right there looks like an M. So I would say we can start to sell Euro GBP. So Euro GBP and Euro GBP and Euro USD, we are looking for sells on those two, right? So right now, let's jump on to USD JPY. All right, now we're on USD JPY, and let's have a look what we're looking at. Let's see what we're looking at. What is the potential market movement? You can see down here we have some type of support base. So this is a pattern, guys. This is what we call a pattern. So one of two things can happen here. The market can either break to the downside or go to the upside, because now it's closing in. So basically there's not enough room for the market to continue playing around. But since this is a weekly time frame, I can just tell you that USD JPY is looking for a buy, since we're on a support level and we're on a base support level on a weekly time frame. So let's quickly check on the daily. Now when we look on the daily time frame, it looks like we have enough space to can buy this market this coming week. So Euro USD, we are looking at a buy on the daily chart and on the weekly time frame. So let's see if we have any confirmation candlesticks. And you can see, guys, we closed with an engulfing on Friday. So this clearly is a buying market this coming week. So be on the lookout to buy USD JPY. This can be the pattern. Actually, there's no clear pattern on this one. Probably let's try and drop to 4 hours, but this is the direction, guys. We are looking to buy this market. All right, so as you can see right here, the market just closed above this line, the black line that I just added. So a potential retest is possible, and then the market will start to buy. So you can start to look for buy opportunities, maybe just around this zone, just around that zone. Then you can start to look for buying opportunities. So USD JPY, it is a buy. Euro USD, it's a sell, and Euro GBP, it's a sell. So those three patterns, or those three pairs that we have looked into, we have two sells so far, and we have one buy. So now let's check GBP USD and see what happens. So we always check on the weekly time frame now because it's Sunday. We don't want to miss the big movements, the big plans on each and every pair. So it's very crucial or important that we analyze from a bigger time frame. So what we're going to do is check right here. Okay, let me try and put it from that far. All right, so with GBP USD, we are closing into the resistance level, and I'm seeing something here. Just about there. There you go. So that's a resistance plus a resistance trend line. So that gives us a very strong sell. We are looking to sell this pair on this coming week. Let's check it on daily time frame just to confirm. So GBP USD, we are looking to sell this pair. All right, bear in mind, guys, that we have not really touched our resistance level, but it is possible for the market to sell. However, what makes me to be not sure if GBP USD will sell this coming week, simply because USD JPY cannot go the exact same direction with GBP USD. These are the opposing pairs, so they do not correlate. They trade opposite direction against each other. So it might be possible that GBP USD will sell probably Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday continue buying until it reaches the ultimate high, and then from there it continues to sell down and down. So basically that's it for this week's focus. But let's check on the 4 hours before we call it a day. All right, guys. This is the 4 hours time frame, and looking at the 4 hours time frame, we are closing in. Like I said, we are closing in the selling zone, which is the resistance level, but we are still not confirmed for us to take more selling opportunities. The market is very strong on the buying side for now. For now, it's still on a strong buy. So I'd rather wait than to take a trade. I'd rather wait for confirmation, maybe the line to break down or the candlesticks to close below this black line, and then go for a retest and then come back down. Then I take my entries. But for now, GBP USD, I think we're just gonna leave it at a buy, but we are looking at a potential sell. So if you start seeing GBP USD going down, then you know what to do. But if it continues for a buy, I prefer rather you let it buy and let it reach the ultimate high, and then take trades. If not this week, then the other week. So that's it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. I hope this was very much informative and helpful, and that it was your boy Caliber. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family. As of today, I will be posting every week, showing you guys what is expected of the next coming week from the market, so that we can all kill the market. And that, it was your boy Caliber, and I'm out. Peace.